welcome back to Tread Adventures. And on this episode, we're gonna go take you on the hike here at the Scherer State Park here in Venice or Osprey, Florida, if I'm saying that right. So right now, look at my little dookie. You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a hike? Go for a walk? I might have to make them. Dookie's a little slow, so patience, my friends. Come on, let's go for a walk. No, you're not doing this morning. We're going for a hike. Eyes went in perfect today. Beautiful morning. It's warming up. All right, so we go this way. Come on. Alright, so we're on the service road. So that area must be for the state park employees to stay and live here, which is kind of cool. Yeah, come on. So we got a 1.5 mile and then 2.5 mile loops. So 1.5 is blue, and then 2 miles is red. Huh? Alright, we'll figure it out. Trail maps. Come on. Alright. I think we're gonna go left. If you look at this, must be some kind of RV pump. Come on! We'll go. Doesn't want to go hiking. Come on, bud. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. So once we get going, Dookie gets his energy back and he's ready. Early in the mornings, he's always not ready to go hiking. Alright, so we're gonna take the blue, and the next time we'll do red. Next time we come here, so. Dad, you know how many rodents are there? God, I love this nature. Sorry about the wind. If it's, I think I gotta get one. I have one of those, media things with the microphone cover on it. But for some reason, since I've been putting it on, the volume hasn't worked, so I gotta figure that out. So, anyways, this shows you exactly if it's windy, not windy. Alright, I'll take a little break. So we go right. Guys, bring your stuff back. Want some water? Okay. Want some water? Alright. Don't say I never asked. Sniffing all these great smells right now is more important. Because I know we're going to be heading home, huh? Huh? You're such a good boy. You're such a good dookie, huh? You're such a good dookie. Ah, oh, we rolled in something again. Thank you. I have to say, this last episode, last night, that raccoon didn't want to leave sight. He stuck around. It's the first time all over the country that an animal was like hanging out with me. Oh, Jesus. Dude just scared me. And this is the 1.5 mile loop, and then the other one's a 2 mile loop. So coming up at end of the year, December 31st of 2019, I adopted Dookie, and I put his birthday. He said he was 2 years old, so he will be 6 coming up on the 31st of this month. So look forward to celebrate with this guy. Maybe we'll go do something fun for his birthday. So the end of the road, so most likely, okay, so the road ends here. It must be a trailhead. So, but I assume that you'd be able to go. Right, okay. Just heard some people. There must be a trail right here. Oh yeah, it's right there. It must be the paved one. And this is kind of, this hiking in Florida and this kind of sand, it's tough, but it's a good workout at the same time, so. Alright, cool. Really not much to see. Everything looks the same everywhere in Florida. Everything's flat. This will be taking us back to where we gotta go. Sweet! Duke's gonna be feeling good, sleeping on the way home. I think we're gonna take a long way. I'm really thinking about going to the Gulf. So come along, would you? American Freedom Tour 2023. Let's get fired up, because you know what? We're getting close to American Freedom Tour 2024. Rabbits. Anybody know what these prints are right here? There. I think it's a rabbit. Pretty far apart. Roughly 16 inches apart. Alright, so we're at the beginning here. We went there, squared around this way. Next time we can go left and work the way a little bit further around and come back around. And it's a 2 miler. So right now we're gonna head back to the van. We're gonna get packed up. It's a little break. Ed Burns, to live hearts we leave behind this time of year. So beautiful to go hiking. Come here. Come here. There's a young family right there. A kid that's probably 1 year old. Alright guys, well this is in this trail. Good. The blue trail. Came in, to the left and went all the way around, and came back. Next time we'll do the red trail. Alright, well that was the service road that we went up. That's where all the workers live at. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna pack up our van, our campsite, and we're gonna head to the next destination. Next destination is who knows? Meanwhile, we're about to the Gulf Coast. If you want to come along, would you? While I finish up packing, I'm going to put you right here on the edge. And let's see if we can see something crazy here. This is to conclude this one night here at Scherer State Campground here in Osprey or Venice area. And this is site number 94. Great little site. You can pull back, put a nice little 20. I think they said 19 footer here. Well, perfect for me. So here we go. Beautiful campground. 11:29. All right. It's not a drawbridge, it's a twisted bridge.